I wanted to.
Never mind.
Yeah, that's how it's gonna go today. So planting day is here for the front bed.
Yep, we're getting ready to do the front bed here, and
it's probably gonna take us like forever to get this done. We have the whole crew out today.
Yeah, so we got everybody helping out, just like we did last year. We had everybody help out with the front bed. And it was exciting to have everybody out here because everybody had a little piece of doing something here in the front bed that they enjoyed looking at throughout the season.
Yeah, everybody, to what, in winter we all decide what we're gonna plant, and everyone has a little bit of a say-so on what's gonna go up here, colors and plants, and it's pretty exciting to have them all actually try to plant. Or, you know, because the little one, he goes a little crazy when he's up here, but you know, for them to have something to do with it and then see it grow through the whole season, it's exciting for them. So I'm so happy because they're all out here. So
so we're gonna get started with the planting up here. Hopefully you guys enjoy it and see what we have going on right here in the front bed.
So let's get all the kids up here, because there is one thing that we always have to say before we get this going. Come on, guys, everybody come up here.
All right, so now that we have everybody up here, we can get started with the planting. Are you guys ready?
Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's get planting. Before we get planting, I'm gonna show you what we use, the plants that we're going to put in the front bed. And first of all, we use biotone. Every time we're gonna start putting something in the ground, we always use biotone, even for our annuals, to get going the roots with the Spoma biotone. And then of course we're gonna use our pads for you know, that we use up there. For me and Ambrose, the kids really don't care. Those are from Corona Tools, in case anybody is looking for something to protect your knees. And then we have the auger, the twist and plant auger from provenwinners. That just comes in very handy for us, especially when we're doing something like this with a lot of plants. And then we're really excited because we really don't have a lot of luck planting in the ground. Wrong plant. This is a Supertunia Mini Vista Violet Star. How cute is that? Beautiful, right? It has a striped purple stripes. And then one of our favorite and very, very tough plant, it loves full sun, which this area is full sun, blew my mind. And then we have this, here's a perennial for us, is Meteor Shower Verbena, and I don't think there's one or two that have flower. And then what else are we using here? Super pretty and fun one right here. This one is a Impatiens Compact Tropical Rose. All proven winner plants. And then these are just gorgeous. These right here are called Up Red Begonia. Awesome thing about these right here is for sun and shade. Also the same thing for this Impatiens. But of course all this is going to go ahead and be used up in the front. And like I was saying, because I didn't finish saying, the little mini petunias, I forget the name, the Supertunia Mini Vista Violet Star, we usually don't have a lot of luck with planting this in the ground, but because it's on a slope, I'm thinking that it's going to drain really, really well. So we're gonna give them another shot and see what happens throughout the season. So let's go to the front of the bed to show you what we actually have up there already that has come up. So up there you can see those are limelight hydrangeas. They've already leafed out, ready to go. They're actually forming their buds already for those beautiful flowers. Then we have I think Amber's is gonna have to help me with a Monarda. Do you remember that Monarda? I forgot the name of the Monarda, guys. I'll go ahead and remember. It's from provenwinners. It's a pink one and it's beautiful. And then we have the daylilies, Sound of My Heart daylilies from provenwinners as well. And they're all budded up, ready to go. And then we have right here in the front, lemon coral sedum, which is starting to come back. We were going to refresh it, but it's coming back. So we're just gonna leave it. It's heating up already, so we should see it sprout back up. And that's what we have right now there. We're gonna start setting up the front bed so you can see how we're going to do the planting. Pardon my pink. I remembered. That's the name of the Monarda. So I'm smelling it the whole time I'm up there, and I'm like, I know the name of this Monarda. So yeah.
Yeah, Pardon my pink Monarda is what we have up there. So we went ahead and laid out all our plants the way we wanted them up here. So we have the Rockin playing the blues up on top with the Meteor shower Verbena peeking in between them. So that's going to be right in between the hydrangeas. I think that's going to look lovely with those colors there. And then
Meteor shower, Verbena. Love the way it's so, what would you say, like the translucent kind of thing, wispy thing. I love that. You can just see right through it.
Yeah.
So I think it would be perfect to be playing along with the Salvia, the plain Rockin and behind the daylilies.
Yeah. So and then the middle section of the bed here we have the Impatiens and the begonias that we put there, and I think that's going to be a lovely combination. We have the compact tropical rose with the variegated leaf. I think that's just amazing. Then we have the double up red in between each one, so that's going to have a nice colorful impact there. Now they look fairly small right now, but these guys will grow about 18 inches wide. And so we're excited to see how much it fills in from here until like pretty much the middle of summer, and they'll quickly start to grow as well.
And all this will keep going for us all the way to a couple of frosts.
Yeah.
Maybe 2.
Yeah.
And then so a lot of blooming, a lot of pretty till from here on.
All right, and then at the very bottom of the bed we have the Supertunia Violet Star, which is nice variegated. White and purple in there, so I think that's gonna look awesome. And then we have it, in between we have the Blue My Mind Evovulus in there that's gonna really be able to take the heat out here, and I'm hoping the Violet Star is definitely gonna be able to take the heat. So
reason why we're doing both.
Yeah.
Like I said, like I was saying in the beginning, when I was showing you the plants, we really don't have a lot of luck planting in the ground any type of petunia.
Yep.
So if for some reason the petunia does not make it, plan B is that we know for a fact that the what is it called?
The Blue My Mind. Yeah,
we'll be there.
Definitely a drought tolerant plant and can take the heat really, really well. So that's a plant that's gonna do extremely well up here.
And usually the petunias don't make it because it either gets too hot or there's too much rain.
Yeah.
But here how it's a slope.
So with the slope, in our experience, last year we had some pretty good experience with the slope. So I think everything's gonna do extremely well. So we're excited to get this going. We're gonna dig the holes and then have the kids help us plant these in.
Here we go.
And this is what happens when kids help out in the garden. It's like a plant massacre.
When kids?
Okay, maybe me.
I think we all had a little bit too much fun today planting up here. It's always a fun one, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely.
So they're taking a break right now.
Yep.
Everybody went to grab some drinks.
And we'll close this one out here in a minute.
Yeah. We're done.
Yeah, are we?
We're done. It was so fun. And
Yeah.
I think it was a little faster than last year. And this one's always a fun one.
Yeah, always fun to get out here planting with the kids. Didn't take as long as last year.
No, there was maybe one break they took one break, which is awesome, and they had a lot of fun.
Yeah, so we went around. I went around digging the holes. Angie was watching them. One was taking the dirt out of the holes, so there was plenty of room.
Yeah.
And another one filling in with biotone to get those roots going.
Yeah, so didn't take long, and then Angelina actually came out here and helped. They all came out and helped, which that is awesome. It was a great, great day. They were actually excited wanting to come out and do it this morning. So
so having Angelina out here is always definitely a plus because you know, having her involved with what we're doing, it's great to have her out here. But you know, there's times when she doesn't want to. And
Angelina's our oldest, and for our new followers, if you don't know, you know, our oldest Angelina, she's autistic. Yeah. So the reason we plan to also have a garden is because of her. Yeah. It helps her come out more. And we plant a lot of pink. And we've always done this in our garden. Plant a lot of pink flowers because of Angelina. Yeah. She loves pink, and that's what just makes her come out and be out here. She's very sensitive with her autism to the sounds.
So that compact tropical pink is the one that she loves, the variegation, and that pink just absolutely looks beautiful with that.
She loves it. So she's for sure going to go ahead and be coming out here and pay attention to the butterflies, the hummingbirds, all the pollinators that all these beautiful plants, flowers are going to attract. You know, the verbena, oh my goodness, the meteor shower verbena is always a huge pollinator attractor. Oh, yeah. So that's something that's why we wanted to go ahead and plant to have here in the front. We had it last year.
So we did, and unfortunately, I don't think we didn't put it far enough because they had like 3 or 4 inches of mulch out here. Yeah. So we needed to plant a little bit deeper, and that's what we did this year. And then we have the Rockin playing the blue Salvias back there.
Oh, I'm so excited to see that one grow.
Can't wait till that one grow out, and you know, basically just mingle with that meteor shower verbena. I think it's gonna look awesome back there. So we have the bluish purples up on top, and then that middle layer, like we said, the sun patience.
I'm excited for the sun patience because they have a really pretty. I like anything that's variegated foliage, and that has that kind of variegated, has that yellow stripe. So I'm excited to see that fill out and grow.
And then we have that pop of red with the double up red begonia, which has a darker foliage, so it kind of contrasts perfectly with what we have going up there with all the greens from the limelight hydrangeas as well. And so I think once those grow out, and they're going to grow out pretty big, they're about 18 to 24 inches on some of them, so they'll grow out pretty big and kind of fill in this area. Right now, it looks pretty spaced out, but quickly they'll start to fill in. And then this bottom layer here we have, so we go back up to the purple on top, where we have the Blew My Mind Evovulus with the...
Awesome plant.
Yeah, with the violet star petunia that I think is going to look amazing.
Now, the violet star petunia, that is something that I usually didn't like to use a lot. Like flowers with like stripes, that was like, oh no, I didn't care for them. But Ambrose is really into them. And last year we grew, I can't remember the name of it. It was a petunia that had a similar look to it. And holy cow. Oh yeah. Holy cow.
That was actually, that was a Super Bell.
Super Bell. And we gave it a try because Ambrose really liked that style. And it's so much fun for the kids too. So that was pretty cool.
So that bicolor combination in there, I think is going to go good with the Blue Mind.
I like it now. I like it now.
Overall, pretty excited about this bed. I think it's going to come out amazing.
Lemon coral sedum, you think it'll fill out?
So we do have lemon coral sedum in there that's trying to come back. Hopefully it starts to fill out. It looks like it's starting to come back with the heat and you know, some regular watering.
It's a perennial for us here in Zone 7b. So it always comes back, but I don't know what happened. It's not filling out that much this year. If we see for some reason it doesn't fill out, we'll just
we'll probably pop some in there if we have some. We might have some extras back there, but we'll pop some in there.
Okay, so inspiration for this bed, because we always love to just see what we can put together, but there's also places that one would love to go and visit, especially because of the whole thing that's going on right now with COVID and stuff, and it's just been so hard to go places and visit. We wanted to bring that to our garden. So this is fun. Yeah,
some of this inspiration came from one of the gardens over in Mackinac Island that we frequently, watch videos about, and we took some inspiration from there because it's definitely something that we love. And as far as the, I guess it's a combination of cottage style gardening with a little bit of tropical here and there.
They have so much going
Yeah.
on, and I just love the whole flower show that they always have there. And you know, with what's going on, one can be going, you know, taking trips like that. So how about we bring it here and see how it grows here for us? So yeah, love watching, you know, the designs of Jack Barnwell and his crew. It's always so inspiring. If y'all haven't heard who Mackinac, Island, or who Jack Barnwell designed is, go ahead and check them out, because they have so much. They work with a lot of provenwinners plants too.
So this bed is basically a combination of two separate garden areas that he designed, and we kind of mashed them up together, but in a way where I think it's gonna really play well with each other, and we're excited to have this showing up here.
So I think we're gonna have a lot of fun watching it all grow and fill out. And I think as soon as, you know, the warm days have come already, and I think these plants are just going to take off and fill out. So
so the last thing left to do here is basically just water it in, and, you know, get them on a good watering schedule and some fertilizing, and they'll be good. So that's pretty much gonna do it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this planting. Hope you enjoyed watching the family out here doing their thing, because I know it was exciting for us, and it's always exciting, like I said, to have everybody out here. So that's going to do it, guys.
Super exciting.
Yep. So that's going to do it for the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Goodbye.
Bloom where you are planted.